Ayan, ito ang lunch natin, guys. May strawberry salad, black pepper, mayonnaise, at saka garlic dressing, red onion, cucumber, tomato, at saka corn or maize, at saka yung hab salt, at saka yung ating, anong tawag dito, is egg, at saka yung hipon, at saka yung crawfish. Yan. Yan ang lunch natin for today. Ayan. Bago ko i-mix. So, ito na guys yung ano, yung ating mix na seafood salad. Ayan.